Vice Chairman, this finance bill has been introduced at a time of crisis, at a time of external crisis, in addition to the Chinese on the north. We have incursions from the neighboring country on the west. Therefore, it seems to me that this finance bill and the budget proposals should be defense oriented, but we find no provision for increase in defense expenditure. It is still rupees 740 crores as it was at the time when the finance minister announced his proposals. If we are to put our defense in proper order so as to ensure the security of our country, if we are not to look for military alliances in order to supplement our defense forces, our defense expenditure must be increased considerably, and it will have to be rupees 800 crores, 900 crores, or even a thousand crores of rupees. There is enough money in this budget to allow transfer of more to the defense services. Money has to be found by reducing expenditure on other items which absorb so much money. The expenditure on the plan is 200 crores of rupees on the revenue account and another 300 crores on the capital account. This must be drastically pruned. The plan expenditure must be reduced to indispensable expenditure which may be required for development of the country like agricultural improvements and all facilities, and adds that agriculture requires like village roads, minor irrigation, reclamation of land, anti-erosion project, literacy, without which our agriculturists can not be increase their productivity, technical education, which will also improve the productivity of not only the agriculturists but also those engaged in the industrial sector. There is certain expenditure which is unjustifiable in the present circumstances. In the present crisis situation in which we are placed, there is the expenditure on the planning commission. Cannot we really have a less expensive planning commission than the one which we have and which costs about 1 crore of rupees a year? The National Economic Development Council of England costs only 20 lakhs of rupees, 2,150,000 pounds sterling, and it does as good work as, if not better than, our planning commission to increase the productivity of England. There is also that absolutely unjustifiable item of family planning. I believe that in the fourth plan it will be raised to 70 crores.